going on, guys? Got a no cooling call. Got the thermostat set at 70. Set to cool auto, and it's 80 in here. And a note. Okay. See, air handler is on. AC condenser is on. So we got the breakers on, but nothing. So we'll try flipping the fan to on. See if we can get it to kick on. Nothing. So, see if we can jump out the thermostat here and see if that's our problem. Nope. Alright, I'll pull the cover off, and I guess we'll check the little fuse on the board here, see what's going on. Alright, I got the cover off, and it looks like we got a blown fuse. Yep, sure do. Okay, so get the fuse out here. Alright, and we will hook up the short probe tool. Alright, got the short probe tool hooked up. Let's throw the power back in. And put the thermostat back on and see what we got here. Just call the fan first. See if we get a light. No light with just the fan. Alright, so now I got it calling for cooling. Fan on auto. Still no light. So it might be an intermittent short here. I think what we'll do is go outside and ohm out the contactor, see what it's reading, and go from there. Alright, so we'll unhook, pull the power, and we will unhook the short probe tool. And I got a new 3 amp fuse to go back. Alright, so I'm just going to throw this cover back on, and then we'll go out and check out the contactor. Alright, we're at the outdoor unit here now, so we will check the contactor. Just pull your low voltage wires off. And just ohm it out. Put one lead on one side and your other lead on the other. And it looks like we're getting about 18.9, so that looks good. So it looks like the contactor is good. Well, I got the unit up and running now, and I believe I knew what the problem was. This CoreSense diagnostic here, somebody has everything unhooked from it, and the yellow wire coming out here, the 24 volts, goes to this wire nut, and the yellow with the red stripe is this terminal right there. Well, when I pulled the cabinet door open, it was up against the metal of the cabinet, so that's definitely what blew the 3 amp fuse there in the board. So I took my meter across the common here and this terminal here and got 27 volts. So there's definitely still voltage going there with it being tied in. So it just shorted out, touched the cabinet, and blew our little 3-amp fuse. So I'm gonna cut that off and probably wire nut it. That way it doesn't happen again. I don't know who unhooked that, but it is what it is. So, alright, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.